Hey, what's happening guys? It's the South African tech YouTuber here, and I know it's been a while since I've made a video, but I'm back. Don't worry, I'm not missing. And in today's video I'm going to be doing another budget unboxing, and this is of the Samsung Galaxy A03 Core. This is another entry level device released by Samsung, and I'm getting really confused. They released the A03, the A3 Core. Samsung is getting super confusing with the naming of the devices. Anyway, let's take a look at what we get in the box. First of all, we have this little cover on top of the device, which comes with the quick start manual. It just tells you how to insert the dual SIM and just some other boring information about the device. Underneath that, we have the actual phone itself. We can see I have the blue color here. The device comes in a black color as well. We'll have a look at that a little bit later. The next thing we have is a 7.5 watt charger. This is a little bit of a step up from the usual 5 watt chargers that we get in the box. But the other massive disappointment here is that there is no USB-C. And I've been complaining about this a lot. It's almost 2022 now. And even on the budget devices, Samsung should be putting USB-C. Unfortunately, this has micro USB. And the last thing we have in the box is a SIM ejector tool. Otherwise, looking at the actual device itself, we can see that Samsung have changed the back cover of this phone. It has a two-tone finish, and it's actually quite unique. You can see around the camera bump, it's a slightly different texture in comparison to the rest of the back of the device. On the right-hand side of the phone, we have the volume rockers and the power on and off switch. No fingerprint scanner on this guy. At the back we can see the 8 megapixel camera with the flash. On the top there's nothing on the device. It's a little bit thick because there's a 5000 milliamp hour battery. And on the left hand side we have the dual nano SIM card slot, which supports an SD card as well. At the bottom we have the headphone jack, micro USB port, the speaker as well as a microphone. And on the front of the device we can see that we have the camera. So let me switch this device on and then I will speak about the specifications. Okay, so this phone has a 6.5 inch 720p display. It's a LCD display, no OLED. The CPU is a Unisoc SC98638 octa-core processor, so that's good. It has 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, which is expandable. The device has dual nano SIM cards with an SD card, as we mentioned above. There is an 8 megapixel rear camera with a 5 megapixel front camera. The device has a 5000 milliamp hour massive battery. It's running unfortunately on Android 11 Go edition and not Android 12. Fortunately, it does support 4G, and here in South Africa the phone is retailing for 1,800 South African rands. Okay, so now that I have the phone set up successfully, just taking a look at the device, the screen looks good. Resolution is not too bad. I wish it was 1080p, but it doesn't look too bad at all. And as we can see, it's running on Android 11. Like I said, I wish it was running on Android 12. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A03 Core. If you want to see a full review of this device, please let me know in the comment section below. It looks like a unique phone, a decent price, 1,800 rands. Definitely a cheap device. But looks like with some decent specifications, especially that 5000 milliamp hour battery. Thanks for watching my video guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.